If you are looking for a hairline transplant, so suppose you are in a grade 2 or grade 3 hair loss, you just have lost the frontal area and you want a nice designer hairline, then how many grafts you will need? There's a very easy calculation for that. A centimeter of a hairline to be reconstructed, you actually need 800 to 1000 grafts. So if you need your hairline to bring down by 2 centimeters, then you may need approximately 1800 to 2000 grafts. Hairline designing and density creation is an art. Only the best clinics in the world are able to do the most natural hairlines. Also, your hairline may consume lot of grafts because hairline density and coverage has to be such that you cannot see the skin inside. So if you have got a transplant where you can see through the skin or you can see the skin inside, that's not a good transplant. So for good hairlines, go with the best density, go with the best quality grafts, and the designing has to be appropriate.